What's up everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Zoho Fsm review in 2026. So Zoho Fsm is a cloud-based tool designed to help businesses manage field service operations like scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and tracking technicians. You will get job scheduling and dispatching, live technician, tracking, reporting and analytics, estimates, invoice and billing, and also mobile app for field workers. It's designed to manage the full service life cycle from request, job to payment. It has a free plan with limited appointments. Paid plans starts around $30 a month for standard and $45 a month for professional. Picking and pricing is based on appointment bundles, not just users, which some users find confusing. It works seamlessly with Zoho CRM or Zoho Books, reduces need for third-party tools, and also handles scheduling, billing, inventory, and reporting in one system. It's good for small businesses because it's affordable compared to enterprise tools, and it's flexible and customizable workflows. But on the other hand, it can feel complex due to many features, UI or UX not very user-friendly, appointment-based pricing can be limiting, and some users report slow performance and clunky interference. So Zoho Fsm is a powerful, affordable field service tool, but not perfect. It's great for value plus strong integrations, feature-rich and scalable, and also UI, mobile experience, and pricing model need improvement. So the final score is 8.5 on 10. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.